A very warm morning to all. I am Varsha Kumari standing in front of you to demonstrate the formula volume of cylinder. The objective of this activity is to demonstrate the formula volume cylinder with a given height and base radius. The material required to perform this activity is chart paper, gum, scissor, a cardboard and pencil, a ruler. But do you know that what is the formula volume of cylinder?
Yes. Pi square h.
Bhan is right. The formula volume of cylinder is pi r square h. But do you know that how it is formed? Now I want to call Bhanivita to explain the demonstration of volume of cylinder.
Thank you, Varsha. I am Nivedita Rai standing here in front of you to derive the formula volume of cylinder. At first, we have to know what is volume. The amount of space occupied by a 3D-dimensional shape is called volume. Now, the procedure is that take a paper cylinder of radius r and base height. Now, remove the top and bottom of the cylinder and then cut vertically so that it flat into one rectangular piece and two circular pieces. Here is one rectangular piece and two circular pieces. Now, derivation is that we know that volume is equal to area of base into height, and we also know that the area of base is a form of circle. It is a form of circle. Now, area of circle is pi r square. When we multiply the pi r square into h, the product will be pi r square h, and hence it is the required formula of volume of cylinder. Now, I want to call back Varsha to give the conclusion and the learning outcomes.
The conclusion of this activity is that the volume of cylinder is area of base into height, that is pi r square into h, pi r square h. The learning outcomes of this activity that we will learn how to find the formula volume of cylinder with a given height and base radius. Thank you. Have a good day.
Over.